Alright, so today I was walking around my local outlet mall just to see if I could find anything, and I walked into the Nike outlet. Pretty trash as usual, didn't find anything. I've only found a couple things there that I've actually bought. So that was pretty disappointed. Then I headed over to Finish Line. Usually that's also really trash. But when I was walking around, didn't find anything on the walls, but I don't know if you've been in a Finish Line before, but they have racks in the middle of the store, or like more in the front of the store, with single shoes on them, and usually they're on sale, but sometimes they're for retail. And one of the shoes caught my eye, and it was a Jordan 1 and a size 9.5. So if you know like sneaker reselling, that's a pretty good size for reselling. And I checked all the other apps to see if they had some resale value to them, and they did. So I had to pick them up just because I know I can make money on them. And it was just a really nice shoe in general. So here they are. Here's the box for them, Jordan 1 box. Here it is. Hopefully it'll focus. Size 9.5. So I got these for retail, and after tax it was like 180-ish, so not too bad. So here's the shoe right here. Shattered Backboard 3.0s. These came out a couple months ago, and surprised I found them at that store for retail just because I thought these sold out, but maybe not. They have some pretty decent resale value to them. They go for like $250-ish, I think, on most of the apps, so not too bad. I'll be able to make like a decent amount on them, but I don't know, just not my personal favorite shoe. I just bought it to sell just because I don't wear size 9.5. These are super shiny in person. I didn't realize how shiny these were until I had them in hand, and they smell like paint. Like it's insane how much like paint they smell like. It's honestly kind of weird. I've never had a shoe smell like this, but just give you a quick look. Probably not gonna review these just because everyone's reviewed them. Have that like cream colored sole. So it's a decent shoe in general. One of the problems was when I got it that I didn't realize until after is on the left shoe, someone cut the lace bag off, so that's pretty unfortunate. So I can't sell on some of the apps just because they probably won't let it pass through that. So probably have to end up selling these on eBay or on Grailed or something. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. I have pretty high faith that I will, just because this is a pretty popular shoe, I think. So if you guys want these, make sure to comment down below and maybe we can work out a deal. These are size 9.5 DS with the lace bag cut off, so just keep that in mind. But if you want these for personal, that probably doesn't matter. So overall, pretty nice find. This shouldn't be too hard of a sell, and I'll make some decent profit on it. So always nice to find Jordan 1s in a good size for retail at some of these stores. So hopefully in the future I can find more of these and I'll be able to buy them. But just want to give you guys a quick video showing you guys what shoe I found. So comment down below what's your best find at one of these outlet stores. This is probably my best find so far. So hopefully in the future I'll be able to find some better stuff. But that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.